How to scan Apple gift card. Apple gift cards can be used only to purchase products and services from Apple. To scan an Apple gift card, follow these steps. Depending on what you're doing with the card, you may redeem it through the App Store or Wallet app. In the App Store, tap on your profile picture or the Redeem Gift Card or Code option in the Featured section. When prompted, tap Use Camera. Position the Apple gift card so the code is visible through the camera frame. The camera will automatically read the code and redeem it. Ensure you're in good lighting and the code is not damaged. If the camera cannot read the code, select You can also enter your code manually and type in the code found on the back of the card. Once redeemed, the gift card balance will appear in your Apple ID account and can be used for purchases. Apple Card gives you unlimited 3% daily cashback on everything you buy at Apple. Thanks for watching.